Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you three methods by which you can cancel your MyPerfectResume subscription. So the first method is via online. So if you have taken your mem subscription on their platform by using their online platform, so how you can cancel it? First of all, what you have to do, you need to know their cancellation policy. Okay, so basically the cancellation policy says you need to provide at least 2 or 3 days notice period, and if you are going with offline method, okay, or via any other method. If you go with online, there is no policy, you can cancel it anytime, there is no cancellation fee. Okay, so first of all you need to log in into your account, and when you are on your dashboard you need to navigate account settings, or you can find your subscription details and you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, and if this method will not work, if you are not a technical person, if you don't know how to log in into your account and all, so what you have to do, you need to dial their phone numbers. Say that their phone number is available on their website. For each and every country they have listed their phone numbers. I will provide you a link in our video description box. You can visit and you can find out their phone number. Their time frame is also available. You can choose their number according to your reason and according to time, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your resume subscription, and they will cancel your subscription. Okay, and you can also do one thing. If the phone number is not available, if there is a busy line, so you can do one thing also, like you can compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen, and you can, once your email is done, you can see the format, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. And once your email is done, you need to send this email at their email address, like contact customer service @ myperfectresume.com. Okay, and once they receive your email, if cancellation is policy, they will provide you a reply from their side, or like proof of cancellation. And make sure, if you don't receive any subscription cancellation or refund email, please check your spam folder or junk folder also. Okay, based on your email preferences, message may be getting redirect here, okay, there. Okay, so basically the thing is, you can cancel your subscription by using these three ways. If you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.